Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a healthy chicken Caesar salad. First, let's craft a lighter dressing. Instead of a heavy oil base, we'll use plain Greek yogurt, which adds a wonderful creaminess and extra protein. We'll also incorporate fresh lemon juice, a touch of Dijon mustard, and just a small amount of olive oil. Don't forget the minced garlic and a hint of anchovy paste for that classic, savory Caesar taste. This simple swap significantly reduces calories and fat while boosting nutrition. Next, let's prepare our lean protein. Boneless, skinless chicken breast is an excellent choice. You can grill it, bake it, or even pan-sear it with a minimal amount of healthy oil. Season your chicken generously with your favorite herbs and spices, like black pepper, paprika, and a pinch of salt, to infuse it with delicious flavor. For the greens, crisp romaine lettuce is the traditional and perfect base, offering a satisfying crunch and plenty of nutrients. Now, let's talk about smart toppings to enhance your salad without adding unnecessary calories. Instead of store-bought croutons, consider making your own with whole grain bread, lightly toasted. For cheese, a small sprinkle of freshly grated Parmesan goes a long way in delivering that signature salty, umami flavor. To boost the vegetable content and add more texture, try adding colorful cherry tomatoes or crisp cucumber slices. These simple additions make a big difference. Finally, it's time to assemble your healthy chicken Caesar salad. In a large bowl, combine your chopped romaine lettuce, the cooked and sliced chicken, your smart toppings, and a generous drizzle of your homemade healthy Caesar dressing. Toss everything gently to ensure every leaf and piece is beautifully coated. Serve your salad immediately to enjoy the freshest flavors and crispest textures. You've just created a delicious, satisfying, and incredibly nutritious meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.